They're wild today.
They're perfect. The Empress Dowager.
May I speak with you? You're aware, of course, that your brother Jinhai is now the first in line to the throne? And that his son would be next after him.
Unless something changes.